Hi guys, so we've just arrived in our hotel in Košice. So we're just going to get changed and refresh. It's been a long day's travelling, and then we're going to go out for some dinner. So this is called horachka, yes, and it is a combination of palm liquor and honey, and it was on fire, and now it is not. And it's really strong. It's lovely though. So we're starting our tour of Košice in the Eastern Slovak Museum. You guys know how much I love tea. I want all of it. It's so pretty. So this is a wooden church, as in it's literally a church made of wood. I really want to ring one of these bells. I might get in trouble. I've been told I'm allowed to. Into this bakery to have a look, and it's called Fairy Tale because of these. So this is Blacksmith Street. And what can you find on Blacksmith Street?
You can find the blacksmiths.
So this is the Zodiac fountain. Apparently the tradition is that you take a selfie with your sign in front of the fountain. Church in Slovakia. It's absolutely beautiful. I think I may have met my soulmate. I'm here, guys. In the discussion about whether we were going to have pudding, the question wasn't whether we were going to have it, it was whether we were going to share.
No, we don't share dessert. That's just like blasphemy. Like, just don't do that.
So we just had a slice each. So apparently I'm not quite as fit as I thought. We've just had to climb up like just under 200 stairs to get to the top of this tower. And it was...
I failed. I'm really awful.
It was really... I'm knackered. So we've also just found out that on top of the mountain over there, there is a really tall tower. And it's an observation tower. And apparently we're climbing it tomorrow.
Really loud.
And now we're going back down. that weird things happen to. I was just filming this guy who was carving a tree with a chainsaw. He then beckoned me over and put headphones and glasses on me, and we then carved the tree together with a chainsaw. I still can't believe that just happened. That was so bizarre. I've got bits of wood in my mouth now. In my hair, lovely. I think I've swallowed about 5 or 6 pieces. So that was bizarre, but hilarious. Košice, everyone. We've also just found out that this guy apparently carved a tree into an angel and gave it to the Pope. So we're now 1 degree away from the Pope.
Literally, he's basically my friend now. Like,
we're basically
met.
Yeah. Oh, can we have a moment for how beautiful the weather is today? It's absolutely stunning. So we are now done at the Culture Park, and we're going to head to the wine festival for some wine tasting. I don't know how the conversation has come to this, but we're now talking about how fish reproduce.
I just can't believe what I've heard.
She thought fish actually had rampant sex.
Apparently, according to Rosie, they don't, and they just like lay eggs in the water, and then like the man comes along and does his thing on top of them. It's true. So I asked for a little bit of cheese, right? And apparently this is a little bit of cheese in Slovakia.
Hi guys, so just getting sorted for dinner. We're heading out again in about 15 minutes, but I've just had time to have a shower and a bit of a sit down because we have walked so far today. So we're going to a very traditional restaurant tonight to try a bit more of the local food, so I shall bring you along. I am going to be trying the Rinzové halušky.
Potato dumpling.
Yeah, I actually pronounced it right, which is potato dumplings with sheep cheese sauce, roasted bacon, sour cream and chive. And it is the country's national dish. Did it all right. Yay. So we've just found out that to say hello in Slovak is ahoy, which is brilliant.
Ahoy there, mate.
So guys, I've literally met my soulmate.
Yeah?
We've come out for dinner. I'm wearing elasticated trousers. And Layla has undone her flies so that we can fit in pudding. We are on a steam train. I am, wow! I love this! My head is a bit big.